Okay, let's take a look at creating an app that will calculate the formula force equals mass times acceleration in Xcode version 15.4. So create a new project. If it says multi-platform here, choose iOS, choose app, and click next. And this is going to be force formula. Click next. I'll click create. Let me go ahead and maximize this. I spent a little bit more time on making this look better than the previous app I created. So I'll delete these. Now I want the text right beside the text field. In order to do that, I need a horizontal stack. So I'll click the plus here. I could type it, but might as well use the nice interface here. H stack. I'll drop the horizontal stack between the braces and the vertical stack there, like right there. Now where the content is, it's right here. That's where I'm going to first put my text. So I'll click here, and I'll type text. And here's my text, so I'll drop that in the content right there. Guess I ought to delete the content. There I go. Press enter. I'll put the text field on next. Drag that, put that right there. I'm going to click here. I want this to say force equals mass times, so I want this to be mass. I'll have this one say input value. We'll come back to the text on that. Now here's the closing for the horizontal stack. So right below it, I want another horizontal stack. This way I can put the text and text field next to each other on this. And I want to drop on another text. Drop that there. I guess I'll get rid of content. Drop on another text field. And I click there, the end of that horizontal stack, press enter. At this point in time, I'm going to put a button on here. And I'm not going to put any kind of effort into making this look nice in terms of the in terms of the formatting and so forth. Beyond a little bit you're seeing. Okay, drop the button right there. Click at after the brace there, press enter. Now after the button, this is where I'm putting my answer. So I need another horizontal stack. Drop that there. And another text. I'll drop that in the where the content is. And delete that content. There we go. I want a text field right below it. Okay, now let me start changing some items. And you can, like if I click the text here, um, I could come over here. I'm not sure which one's the properties now. No selection. Well, let's see. Maybe that's it. Nope, that's not it. I thought it was this one. There it is. I don't know what in the world I was doing wrong. But here, you could type your acceleration here if you're more into the screens over here. So acceleration. Press enter. This one, I change that instead of saying placeholder, I could have it say input acceleration. This one, if I click this, instead of it saying button, maybe I'll have it say calculate. I'll come back to the action. This one here, instead of having it say placeholder, this is my, what is this? Oh, this is force. Okay. And I could put a placeholder here if I wanted to. If I press enter, you see it disappears. Okay, now we need to declare some variables. And where's my struct at? There's my struct. I come up here. I do at state. Again, this is what allows us to read and write a value. And then we'll do private var and what am I gonna call this first one? Acceleration. I'll just say ACC colon, and this is our data type, and then equals, initialize it to empty. Then at state private var, what's this one? Mass equals force equals mass. Should have had mass first, I guess. String equals to this. State private var force is going to be a string. By the way, when you start typing it, you can just do a tab to do a code completion. Okay, so now we got our three variables declared. Down here, I want this to go to, which one is this? This is mass. This one, I want that to go to acceleration. And let's see, this one down here, I want this to go to, what's my other one? Force. Notice I'm putting $sign before them. That's what makes a connection between those. Now for my action here, I'm going to run a function. But you have to put this function in the appropriate place. Here's the end of the struct. If you click it one time, you'll see a yellow light up. We want to go and put this before the end of the struct, so I'll press enter there. And I'm going to have a function and calculate force. Beginning curly brace, it puts a closing curly brace. If let not num, what am I calculating? Mass. So let mass. I don't know if naming that same as the one above is a good idea. Let me just say lit m. So lit m equals to double, and then this is mass. Lit. By the way, I'm doing two lits here, and if it's successful, it'll return true, and I can do what's inside the braces. So this is acceleration equals to double ACC. And then I'll do my beginning brace, and I'll say force is equal to string, and then mass times acceleration. It'll take I don't want that though. What do I want? M times A. Because the M times A, that's my local variables I got there. They're not really variables, I can't change them. They're like more like constants. But it'll multiply them together, change it to a string, and then assign it to force. Then else, this is invalid input. I wonder if I need the braces. I don't know. Let me test it and see. Force equals invalid input. Expected. I do need the braces. Okay, I was wondering. Circular reference. Boy, I hate when I press end, thinking it's Windows. Okay, now I don't know if I got it right or not. Let's see which one that lines up with. I think that's right. I don't see any errors. Now let's run this. Maybe. Is it thinking? Let's try it again. There it is. I don't know what happened first time. So I put 3 there, I put 4 there. Click calculate. And I didn't attach it. That's an important piece. Action. This should call calculate force. Okay, try 2. 4. And calculate. So multiplies those 2 together and puts it there. So in this app, we took a look at how to program force equals mass times acceleration.